How to fix Detroit Become Human is crashing on Steam. First, you will need to go to the library, right-click on your game, go to the Properties tab, go to the Installed Files tab, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. And wait for this process to finish checking. Now, once this is done, you can go back to the General tab and add the following command to launch options, which is -dx11 without any spaces. Now you can close this and close Steam, and then you'll need to update your GPU. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will need to open up NVIDIA app. You will also need to install this if you don't have it already, and then select Game Ready driver and make sure to download and install the latest available driver version. Next, you will need to open up a new tab and search for Redist and click on the first link. Now you can scroll down to the second table to download the latest redistributables. You will need to download the 86 and the 64 version and install both of these on your computer. And when you're done, you will need to restart your system. And after the restart, you should simply launch Steam as admin, right-click on Steam and run it as admin. And then you can proceed to launch the game again. And this should fix the crash issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.